Si Ben ang nandiyan.
Yeah.
Mahilig si Mr. Live din yan eh.
We are trying this. Well, this is my first time at this restaurant, and they serve Korean food. I'm here with my friends who I hardly see. This is the third time I'm meeting them this year. So sad. 3 times this year. And this is the food that they're serving right now for appetizer.
Ang topic lahat dapat pagkain. Kaya yun ang aking topic, pagkain.
Pa-north, south. Pa-north, no? Sarap na, may sabihin sarap ng ano, passport office.
So this is what I'm having. This is, what's it called? Radish? Pickled radish. And pickled, what is this? This one is also some kind of radish as well. It's quite tasty. This is yam fries served with some dipping sauce. It's really good. Let's try it.
Bakla. Sa Pilipinas siya? Hindi, sa Hawaii. Doon yung sumikat.
So you're on video now. What do you think of your cabbage?
Yummy.
Yeah. So you've been here how many times already? Many times. And you like the food here and how they serve their chicken? They're famous for their chicken apparently, yeah? Yeah. Oh, talaga? Let's try this one. Are they the same though?
No, ones are
This is original and this is the one with the onion. All right, let's try it. So I think how they did their chicken was they air fried it, just less oil. So it's very crunchy, very tasty. So I have one more friend who arrived very late, couldn't find the place. She orders the hot soup, seafood spicy soup. So here we go. Let's have a look. That's the soup right there. Ooh, got misty there. And this is my friend Anna. All right. So we're gonna try the spicy soup. I'm not too crazy about it, but we'll give it a try. We're gonna give it a try. Okay. All right. I'm trying the soup with the tofu.
kailangan lisensyado. Ano pwede mag-advise? Hindi, ang mga nasa bangko, ang
Spicy.
mortgage advisor.
Scale of 1 to 10. It's a 7 for me. Some people will like the spice.
Agent, yun ang mga life.
I am.
Pero, kasi mga advisor,
It's very tasty, but the spice itself is, I just find it spicy. But it's very
Kasi
tasty.
pag-approve. Kasi sila din ang underwriting eh.
Oh, yeah, that's
Kaya
spicy.
standard ng bangko.